Hello world, my name is Tim Ruswick and welcome back to another game dev video. This one I'm going to be talking about our jams, our events, and all the things that we're doing for Game Dev Underground as a community. So stay tuned because it's super cool. Now the first thing I want to talk about is the upcoming GDU Jam. If you don't know, GDU Jam, the very first of its kind, it's actually the fourth iteration of jams we run here on Game Dev Underground, is launching on December 4th, 2020, and it goes to December 7th, 2020. Starts at 6 p.m. Eastern and it stops at 6 p.m. Eastern. So we're running it from Friday to Monday. I always like having that extra day in there for Ludum Dare. So if you want to join a jam, you can. If you don't know what a game jam is, basically we all get together and we make games from scratch in a weekend, and then we submit them and we all rate each other and play each other's games and just have fun in doing all that, because that's how you make games, man. You just get it done. The other thing is GDU Game Dev Underground. I want to promote people finishing games. So if you participate and you submit a game, you will get a finisher role in the Game Dev Underground Discord, which I highly recommend, because I want to promote people finishing games, right? So this finishers right here, they show up on top of everybody else and all the other users. They show up right here because I think more people should finish games, and Game Dev Underground's mission is to build, finish, and launch better games. So join the jam, click the link down below to go ahead and do that, but also join the Discord, because you can get a finisher role if you submit, but also there's thousands of people from all around the globe that can work on games with you. We can help each other. We can help promote game dev to each other. We can just be there for each other, right? Like we have channels for like self-improvement and stuff. We have stuff where you can drop your dank fire memes. We have stuff where you can just meet up on a group, which, speaking of meeting up with people, that's the next thing I actually want to talk about, and that is the GDU Community Events. If you don't know, on the Discord, we've been running events multiple times a week. We've had voice chat discussions. We've had GDC watch along videos. We've had game nights. We've had screenshot Saturday events where we all collectively give feedback on screenshots. We have discussions coming up. We have Pitch Me Your Idea event coming up. We even have an Elite Gold accountability meeting, which is a Patreon only event that I run twice a month. So like there's lots of events here, and the calendar is ready for you to look at. You can click on the link and get the calendar down below, but all of these are available and they're scheduled. And if you're part of the Discord, you can actually get notified when they go live. If you just go up here to role assignment and you click this little icon right here, that'll get you notified when the community events go live. And you can also look at the calendar to find the time. But this is super cool because this helps us connect with each other as game devs. And I gotta be honest, one of the things that I realized that I do is I try to do everything alone. And that's one of the reasons why I got burnt out. That's why I haven't posted videos in a long time, is because I've been trying to do everything alone. In the past couple of months, as I've been burnt out, as I've been doing all this, I've been working with people from the community to be community managers and to help build all this stuff and to help do all this stuff and run these events and interact with people and help people build, finish, and launch better games. And this is the next iteration of that. So I highly recommend, if you want to join events with other developers, you want to talk to other people, you want to be a part of something where we all make games collectively together, check out the calendar, join the Discord, and do it. And last but not least, I really want to talk about the Patreon, because this is something that's really helped me start this transition. Patreon is one of those things, like Game Dev Underground used to be Tim Ruswick. It used to be Tim Ruswick promoting build, finish, and launch better games. But I've realized that like my burnout says otherwise, that like I cannot do it all myself. And so having people help and having the community running these events and running these game jams, the Patreon helps me do all that. It helps do everything that we need to do to run a community of this size, thousands of people all across the globe, and make sure that everybody's building and finishing and launching better games. So if you haven't checked out the Patreon, there's a lot of cool stuff in here, a lot of perks and benefits that you can get from just joining a couple bucks a month. And not only that, but like you can help support the community. You can help us run this whole community and these events and all the awesome stuff that's going on in the Discord and all the different places Game Dev Underground is. And I really appreciate, matter of fact, I'm gonna put their names on screen because I appreciate them so much. Everybody that's stuck with me, especially through the burnout and stuff. If you stuck with there, I really appreciate it, because like I've learned, you can't do stuff alone. And I appreciate all of the help from all these people. And as I'm learning that, and as we're working with the community and getting community managers and kind of building these events and all this stuff, I appreciate them so much. They're helping out the community so much. And I think we're in a process of going from Tim Ruswick making Game Dev Underground to Game Dev Underground being its own collective community where I am not so much of a part of it as just kind of a member. And that's always been my goal, is to help build a community where people can build, finish, and launch better games. I don't need to be the bottleneck here. And I really appreciate the patrons especially that can help me transition this to be something awesome and to really help game devs all over the world build, finish, and launch better games. So thank you, patrons, but thank you, viewers, as well, for being a part of this. If you want to join the GDU Jam, you can click the link down below to join. If you want to join the Discord, you can click the link down below to join that. If you're on the Discord, you'll get notified when the jams and the events and stuff go live, but make sure you hit the little notifications thing in the role assignment channel on Discord to get notifications. Thank you all. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for sticking with me through burnout and depression and all the crazy shit that's went on this channel over the last 5 years. Thank you for being a part of the community, and thank you for making games. The world needs more games. But my name is Tim Roswick. I'll talk to you later.